balls. Oh, don't throw them out. Hey, we got your shipment of new balls for your ball pit today. Much more fun, huh? Oh, don't. No, what's over there? I don't know. What you need? Uh-oh is right. Don't throw the balls out. Put them back in the pit. Put them back in the pit. Yep. All right. Shoot them through there. Can you throw the balls through there? Throw the balls in there. Like a basketball hoop. Yeah. Are you tuckered out? Hey. Are you playing baseball? Are you playing baseball? Looks like some hard work. Mm-hmm. Are you stuck? Oh, what? Uh-oh, what? What'd you do? What'd you do? Are you putting some gas in your car? Yeah. Griffin, that's pretty talented. You're playing with two toys at the same time.